right, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking. Today we're making a real Christmas treat. Veal chopped Parmesan, one made with traditional tomato sauce and cheese and the other with an Alfredo mushroom sauce. Unbelievable. Anyway, let's get cooking.
We got some beautiful veal chops here. We're gonna do like a bone-in veal cutlet, and then we're gonna put some mushrooms, Alfredo sauce, and some cheeses on top.
Oh yeah.
And same thing, we'll do 2 of those and 2 with the mushrooms with the red sauce. And that's it, man. Now we're gonna pound these out.
All right.
Beautiful. I also leave a little fat, leave the fat on there for more flavor.
Absolutely. Yeah. Ah, look at that. All right. Very nice.
All right, we're gonna make our egg wash without the shells. I don't know my own strength sometimes. Okay. All right. I'm gonna put a little pepper in here, some salt, a little bit of granulated garlic, some parsley, and we're going to put a little bit of cheese in there too.
Very nice. Very nice. Salt and pepper that meat.
Go ahead and season the flour up with a little salt and pepper. All right, let's get started with these babies.
Oh man, look at that thing.
Oof. Oh.
That looks like that giant Brontosaurus burger from the Flintstones.
Brontosaurus burger. Oh, that's a veal.
Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Right there. Oh, yeah. All right, let's fry them up. We start out with our first chop here.
Chops.
All right. Oh man, look at that.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to fry these for a few more minutes, maybe another minute on that one, and then we're going to finish them off in the oven, let them cook in there for about 10 minutes.
Oh man, that's wonderful. Let's get drained out, please.
Yeah, this is too hot, man.
Let them cook for about what, 10 minutes?
Yeah, about 10 more minutes
on it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna pop these in.
We're going to put these in for a little bit.
Nice.
Looking good. All right, we're going to make our mushroom Alfredo sauce. That's going to go on top of our veal chop.
Nice.
I'm going to go ahead and put the garlic in now. That's about 3 nice sized cloves.
Smell that garlic.
All right, we're going to put our mushrooms in here now. I'm going to add a little more butter to it. I'm going to add a little salt, some pepper,
All right, add some wine. Very good. Cook up.
All right, we're going to add our heavy cream.
Got a pint.
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice. You gotta keep stirring it. You will have a mess on your hands if you walk away from this pan.
Get it a little thick, add some cheese in there, some fresh parsley, and
That's it. Oh yeah, looking good.
a couple more minutes so it'll get a little thicker.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna put some cheese in here now.
So Romano cheese, Pecorino Romano.
I'll put one more spoon in there. That's for safe.
Nice. Oh, wonderful.
And that's it.
Very nice. All right.
I'm gonna use the two big ones for
Man, look at that. Alfredo mushroom sauce. Oh, that's crazy. Nice.
crazy good.
Yes.
What you mean?
That is. Oh, look at that. Veal Parmigiana.
Bone-in veal Parmesan.
That's beautiful.
Two of them with mushroom Alfredo sauce.
Oh, man. Oh, yeah. And then right here we have some fontina and provolone cheese that we went ahead and shred up earlier. It melts really, really nice. Oh, it's going to be beautiful.
There's no way one person can eat all that Alfredo.
Come on. If I'm hungry, I could eat it. For sure.
Yeah, no kidding.
Look at all that cheese. That's going to melt beautifully. Oh, look at that. All right, now we got the oven on broil. I'm going to go ahead and get that in the oven. Very nice. How are those
There
veal
we go.
chops?
These babies are ready,
Oh my
man.
God, look at those. Those look absolutely
Beautiful.
beautiful.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Amazing.
All right, let's plate them. Oh,
We've got our Christmas plate right here too.
Merry Christmas. Oh,
It's gonna melt those snowmen.
Oh, that looks beautiful. The other one. Oh, man, that looks freaking unbelievable. All right, let's eat.
Check those babies out.
All right, let's test out these
You got plates every week.
Come eat a piece.
Get out of here.
Of that right there. I want a little piece. Just a little piece of that right there. Oh my God, it's cooked perfectly. Look at that. Yeah. Very nice. All right, let's taste them. I'm gonna taste the one with the Alfredo sauce first.
Very tender.
Oh my God. Wow. Very, very good. Anyway, I'm looking to dig into this feast. I
We
want to
ready
wish
to go?
everybody Merry Christmas and whatever holiday you're celebrating, have a safe and happy one. And we'll see you guys next time.
Merry Christmas, everyone.